Good hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a brand new video. Today, we're doing a comprehensive, deep dive, strong overview into the new AI music generator by the name of Udio. Now, it's pronounced Udio. I've done enough research on the internet to tell you that it's just Udio. I was going to call it audio, but thank goodness I did not say that. Because what kind of comprehensive overview would you trust if I didn't even know the name of the website? Gosh darn it. So, basically, we currently explored on the channel, Udio AI, and this I think is no different. It's very ChatGPT style. You want to cut to the chase, create the music right away. And now if you just log on to the website, which is just udio.com, it's gonna prompt you to sign in, and you can sign in, by creating an account or your Google sign in, whatever it is, and it takes merely like seconds to do that. And as soon as you do, it takes us into this realm right here. So let's describe our song. The last song ever sung on the planet. Tomb Raider forgot how to raid tombs for whatever reason, and she feels kinda emo and goth about it. All right, and we want to make it rock. I'm feeling I'm not gonna write Evanescence because, all right, you know what, let's try. That's the beauty of a long form video. Evanescence style, 2002 era, alt, punk, emo, rock. All right, now, do you want to auto generate the lyrics? Heck no. Let's actually make it. I can't raid tombs no more. I can't dig for treasure on the floor. I feel destroyed. I feel destroyed. Someone save me from having no joy. All right, what else can we do? We got advanced controls right here, manual mode. This is the type of AI we can use. I'm betting, let's leave the length at 210. BPM, we can't really delve into BPM, but while we're here, let's actually explore the free tier, the one that we're using right now, $0 a month, because that's what free is. 10 credit limit per day with an additional 100 per month. Generate up to 4 songs at the same time. A limit of 3 full length, which is 2 10-second song generations per day. All right, so we can make up to 6 minutes and 30 seconds of music every day. Now we get standard, which is $8 a month, or 10. I'm guessing it's 8 if you bill it annually. You get 1,200 limits per month. Generate up to 6 songs at the same time. Edit your tracks. So once again, this has it sort of editing tracks with vocals and audio like it's a DAW, like it's a digital audio workstation. So you basically get the stems for the song. And if you're a student, you get a discounted student price, which a lot of people are gonna, use that. Not lie about it. Also, there's the pro one, which is $24 a month. If you bill it annually, you get double, basically. It's not double, bad math. Like more than double. Generate up to 8 songs at the same time. Create songs from a style reference, so you can actually reference it, like send it an Evanescence song and have it create something like it, and all features from other plans. All right. So clip timing is 100%. Lyric timing, whatever. Prompt strength. All right, let's just dive in. Let's just absolutely dive in and press create. This uses 4 credits out of the 108 that we have monthly, 4 out of the 10 that we have daily, 2 out of 3 Udio, 130 credits. Artist replace, we do not generate. Okay, so basically we can't really include the artist name for whatever reason. I think it's like a copyright type thing, because when I tried it with the Udio AI video, it still didn't give me nothing. So I feel destroyed. What's happening right now? If we press this, what's going on? I don't know what. Song is not ready yet. Please try again soon. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit. I think I'm going to give it a break and come back when the songs are finished, and we can listen together and see if it's, worth its bread, I guess. But this one is considerably, comparing it to Udio, it's considerably slower compared to Udio. Udio, you had the music ready like that. That was me snapping my fingers. I don't know if you noticed that or not. All right, we're back. Now, this took, I think, maybe a little bit over 30 seconds, so it's not really nothing to worry about, maybe up to a minute. I'm not sure. And it did something pretty smart, AI level scary. It removed Evanescence and turned it into like female punk vocalist, something like that. So these are the 2 songs that it created. I Feel Destroyed and From Having No Joy. Let's see if it you know, fits our style, if it's dope, if it sounds AI-ish, which is something that AI tries not to do, and if it used our lyrics. Let's go. Okay. All right.
I can't raid tombs no more. I can't dig for treasure on the floor. I feel destroyed. I feel destroyed. Someone save me from having no joy. Seeking all them, Lord. I keep on.
Why is AI good at making songs, man? This is crazy. I mean, this is still in beta too, by the way. Like, Suno is an established platform. I didn't even give it these lyrics, and it's in. Okay, let's listen from having. Let's listen to the other one. Okay.
I can't raid tombs no more. I can't raid tombs no more.
Very Opeth.
I can
This one's very Opeth.
dig for treasure on the floor. I feel destroyed.
Goodness gracious, man. Okay. So this was the music generation process. Now let's see if I can record myself or add my own vocals, because I don't see an option for that any place here. So I think this is just music generation. So this is uploading or dragging music here. I think this is, yes, this is a paid tier. You basically upload a song over here and it creates a song exactly kind of referenced from it. And you can just add, you know, reggaeton. You can just use something as a style. And yeah. Very cool. This is very cool. Okay, what else do we have? Use a style. So you can add lyrics, instrumental, choose a style, and then create from said style. Also has the same advanced controls, which the really cool thing about the advanced controls here is that we're still on the free plan, yet we can utilize these advanced controls, which I am thoroughly proud of. So what's on the home page now? This was the creation page. So it's okay. Basically, I think different creators. Happy feels like indie psychedelia. This is art by an actual person on Instagram, so it's great that they reference the person. And oh, so these are different creators, and these are their creations, basically. It takes a minute to load up, but I'll chalk that up to the fact that it's still in beta. But apart from that, man alive, am I Liquid Synth Symphony. Man, that is very cool. I'm very... Wow. These are the trending sounds that I guess people are using. So right now it's just like a music platform, you know, like your Spotify's. It's just different creators with their beats, and these beats are out there and they're featured on the homepage, and people can use them or download them, or I think, you know, I need to dive into like, oh, okay, so this is a different user. Can I buy it? You can follow. Great. And then can I add to playlist? I can list. Oh, so it's like a streaming platform. You can generate a video using it. I don't think I can buy it from them. Yeah, I can just take these creations, extend them, remix them, do whatever I want with them. It's very cool. So yeah, this was Udio, still in beta. What did you think of it? I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. You know, I can't wait. If you got some cool music creations that you've created using a platform like this, let us know in the comments below. Please share it. Subscribe if you found this video fun or helpful or entertaining, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.